Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to recover Gmail account without recovery email. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to google.com and click on sign in at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply click on use another account. And from here, just simply provide your email for that account. And from here, you can just simply click on next. And after that, just simply click on forgot password over here, guys. So from here, you can just simply check your phone and a pop-up window will show up, and you can just simply tap on yes, it's me, and you should be able to recover your account. And when you tap on yes, it's me on your phone, you should be able to log in and you should be able to update your password. Now guys, if you don't have that option, you can just simply click on try another way again. And after that, you will get a verification code and you can choose whether it is text or call. So let's say I'm gonna go for text, and after that, just simply wait for your phone to receive the 6-digit code and just simply provide it and click on next. And from there, you should be able to recover your account and you should be able to update your password. And if you don't have that option, you can just simply go for I don't have my phone as well over here. And after that, guys, the last recovery for your account is Google will send you a 6-digit code to your previous recovery email and just simply provide the code over here. Now, if you don't have that as well, you can just simply click on try another way. You can see this over here, more tips to recover your account, and just simply read these options over here that Google has to offer. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.